Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new video, a brand new review. Today, I'm taking a look at what seems like 2020's most popular sneaker silhouette, and that is the Nike Dunk Low in this University Red colorway. Got a classic Nike red box. Pretty simple, just straight up red Nike box. So we've seen a lot of really nice, really popular Dunk Low colorways recently. Of course, the Brazils that released, the Kentucky, the Syracuse, all of them really solid colorways. And now this one may just be the most popular. Now the release date on these here in the UK was the 12th of June. However, in the US, they got pushed back all the way to July the 1st. Retail price on these is a comfortable £85 or $100 if you are in the US. So out of all of the Dunk Lows, I've got to say this is probably my favorite colorway. This one or maybe the Kentucky colorway, which was the blue one. But it's definitely a toss-up between those two. I definitely think this is up there with one of my favorites. So the Nike Dunk actually started back in 1985 as part of like a university program in a bunch of different colorways. Everybody loves them. They are selling out instantly and reselling for a ridiculous amount. Now the leather quality on this is really nice. Of course, if you're familiar with Dunks, you already know that. And I also feel like for the price, you're getting a really solid sneaker. I mean, $85 for this is pretty impressive. So the different tones and materials you find on this is pretty simple. Starting off on the outsole of this sneaker, you get the classic Nike Dunk Low traction pattern, and that is in this red color. Moving up to the midsole, it is pretty simple. It's just white, red leather around the toe box, as well as some white leather on top with the perforated holes punched through, obviously for breathability. The tongue of this sneaker is nylon mesh material, so again, pretty simple. It does have the Nike logo with the swoosh kind of in that little tag on the top, which you can hardly see. And moving to the back of the sneaker, you have the embroidered Nike text. Some of them are printed. On this one, you're getting an embroidered Nike text. Both the SB and the regular Dunk have both had some pretty crazy collaborations. However, I feel like the SB definitely takes the cake in terms of the craziness of collaborations it has had in the past. So Nike SB has had collaborations from Travis Scott, Ben & Jerry's, and Supreme. So we're talking some heavy hitters. They go all out on these collaborations. I really love some of the different elements and stuff that comes along with some of those collaborations. However, the Nike Dunk definitely does still get some collaboration love, maybe not to the same caliber as the SBs. However, we've seen these with Off-White, Comme des Garçons, and other brands like that. So it's pretty cool to see that this is still a popping sneaker in 2020. I don't know why I said popping. It's ridiculous. I'm happy at the £85. This is definitely a must cop at $85 or $100, but paying resale for me is definitely not one that I'm racing out to chuck my money out for these. Now, as for sizing and fit, these fit me true to size, pretty comfortable as well. But that is pretty much it. I like this sneaker. I think it's a solid colorway. The quality is good, the fit's good. What more could you want from a shoe that costs $100? So with all that out of the way, good luck for everybody in the US looking to grab yourself a pair of these for retail. Again, July 1st. And hopefully if you're here in the UK, you've got a W. Let me know down in the comments. But that's pretty much it for the video. Thank you for liking, thank you for commenting, subscribing, all of that good stuff. I will catch you in the next video, but until then. If you were to draw a sneaker, like get some random person to draw a sneaker, I feel like they would draw this sneaker. That makes no sense.